see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
What is that?
What's that, Holly?
Huh?
Cooking.
Oh my God.
She had one more present.
Wow.
Wonder who done that.
What did you do, was it?
It's a cooking.
Oh, it's a cooking. It's baking.
Yeah, but
Don't drop it, Baba.
It's really wooden.
it's all down.
What you gonna say? Oh, wait. Don't put it in the kitchen yet.
Yeah, but how they put so many in there? And then they found one in that water, so we stuck that there.
Wow, you got lots.
Well, there's a mango and an apple. That's got an apple.
What you gonna say to Auntie Mel? Mandarin as well? Yeah?
Yeah, but that's.
Put your bowl in there.
Oh, Baba!
Ayaw, focus.
No.
Oh no.
Is that for her cooking?
Cake. Cake.
No, Jamie! You put the bowl.
Oh, I need screwdriver.
I got the...
Yeah.
Put all that.
Do you like your present?
So it's just one window and all the light.
Yep. And then polish the cabinet.
Okay, put all the cupcakes.
Right.
Wow! What's that?
Why?
She knows.
You may open it?
No, open it.
And a plate.
Okay. Oh, now she's gonna open it. Not yet.
Yeah,
She
windows,
is
lights,
the
lights,
only
fix the
one.
leaking problem.
That's
Like, clean like
open. Please, say please.
Yes. You have a brush.
But
Wow, what's that? Frozen. Careful.
I've cut all the carpet out.
Yeah, Mum. No, Mummy can put them in your.
No, Mommy will put this.
I was wondering if you'd
Put
ready
your
to put
comb
the
in your
carpet
bag.
in, but
I'll do that last.
Put your comb in your bag.
Wow. Okay, see ya. Oh, put your cupcakes. Zoe, where are you going?
People away.
And sa Sunday ang birthday ni Kuya.
They're there now digging from the shop all the way to the ranch.
No, that's Kuya.
They read up, but they're reaching
Where is yours? Here's yours.
past there and out. It's all secret.
Oh, see? Look.
Hey.
What you gonna say?
So you remember?
What you gonna say?
Nana,
Is that Baba?
what do you do?
Sound like said all
He
shit.
has 4 minutes. Another book. A book now.
where was that?
Yeah,
This
right,
CD
yeah, last night.
needs.
What? The CD? What?
Well,
This CD
Probably
needs.
too
That's
much.
it.
no batteries.
I don't know. That might. I don't know. Have you seen that one yet?
Oh, we're gonna watch that. We're gonna watch it.
Oh, they get down. Windows.
The only thing
Did you ask Brad?
really going
What Brad said?
We watched this at someone's house. It has 4 minutes.
That's not for you.
That's for Kuya TJ.
Wait for your birthday now.
Morning, guys. Today is my birthday. Happy birthday, Holly. Happy birthday, Holly. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Holly. Hep hep! Hooray! Hep hep! Happy birthday, Papa. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? Birthday ngayon ni Holly. Wala naman kaming handa. Mag-spaghetti lang ako. And, yeah. Right, Holly? We don't have party. And sa Sunday, sa Saturday, pupunta dito mga Inday. So, ano na kami, late celebrate ng birthday ni Holly tsaka ni Kuya TJ. Kasi si Kuya birthday niya rin this coming Sunday.
Where's the present bag?
Oh, where's the present? It's in Daddy's room.
Happy birthday. Who's that? Mama.
Kinuha lang ni Sak yung
Where's your present?
present niya.
Present, look. Where's your present?
Where's your present, Baba?
Look. Where's your present? How old are you?
How old are you, Baba?
Look.
It's in the daddy's room. You found it?
Present, look.
Come here, Baba. Let her open the gift. Binuksan na nila. Zach, they can see your bum bum, Zachary. That's why I told you to get trackies. Happy birthday, Baba! Ayan yung gift namin. Happy birthday! What you gonna say? Thank you. And then, look at there, Baba. What's in here? Here. Go get all those stuff there. Oh, inside here, Baba. Ayan, oh ayan. Yung golf. Princess golf. Let me see.
Did she get golf clubs?
Yeah, that one.
What?
Oh, here, Baba. What's in there? Look.
I'm not hitting that this time. I'm not going to get that.
What's that
I'm
one?
going to watch it in our bedroom.
Cinderella.
She can watch it here.
Baba. Oh, ayun na siya. Baba, here.
What's this?
Golf course.
Oh, what's this?
Princess golf.
I have to picture this time.
How did that go?
Okay, open it, Baba.
Only open this
How about this one? There's more here.
Wow.
close.
Oh, careful.
Wow.
Wait for me na. Nag-trackies na siya. Oh.
What is that?
Wow.
That's the golf.
Ito pa yung, binigyan ko siya ng mga t-shirt kasi ano na. T-shirt tsaka mga
I won't have scissors.
leggings. Ayan.
It's
Ayan ang birthday gift namin kay Holly. Walang handa. Ayan. Daming damit. Tapos trackies. Ayan. Binubuksan na nila yung gift.
These scissors?
Careful, ha? That's why be careful.
Yeah.
Careful, Baba.
Zach, it's like it's your birthday.
It's not your birthday. It's... Wow.
What's in here?
It's a golf stick.
This old. Papa.
Careful. Wow.
Here, cut that open. What's that?
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Wait, that doesn't match. What?
Wow, that's Princess.
Hey, Baba.
Here, honey, I'll put that one.
Mate, screw it, that's it.
Honey,
And you kids, don't
That-
bloody wreck it or bend it.
that's right. That's for Holly, huh?
It's very
You
hard.
too.
And
Baba.
oh, what? Wait, snap it off.
One there, one there.
Where's the other piece?
And
Ready?
Oh.
Well done.
Here's the whole.
Here, honey, I'll put it together. Yeah.
Dad, put the. Dad, let her try.
Watch the photos on. Where's the picture?
No.
oh, yeah, picture.
Ah, no, you don't need.
Dad, look. She can get it in from here. Dad, let her try to get it in from here. I can get that.
Kuya Zach, ay Kuya TJ.
Try it. Baba, you want purple? See purple? You like purple? Ah, what's that? Baba, do you like it?
Here, Papa.
Do you like it?
Kuya, can you get this scissor again? Because
Here, here.
oh, why is in there? Akin na, akin na. No, Zach, I'll do it.
Holly's trying that.
Okay.
So she can get it from there into the.
Wow.
Finished. Mama, what is this?
It's a magnet.
Hey, Baba.
Okay, right on, Bob. Let her do it. Oh, sit down, Baba. Sit down.
Yeah.
Sit down.
Get the pencil.
Erase. Erase this first.
Yeah, I know.
That's the thing, but
I think that's wait, Daddy will remove that paper.
And Mom, I need they for the magnetic box. Right, I open it.
Huh? Is it outside? Yeah, it's outside, hon. Oh. Now you can write happy birthday, Holly. Wow. Erase. Now you can write.
There you go, Baba.
Write, Baba.
Don't have to push hard, just slowly, lightly, like that.
Yay.
Try to get the thing.
And erase, Baba,
Hey,
erase.
there's a Dale.
No. It's alright, Kuya.
It's hard, mate.
Oh, I got it. I can open it. What? This one goes here. Yep. This one goes here. Yeah.
Yeah, happy birthday, Baba. What you gonna say? Baba.
And this, look at the last one. Magnet lock.
Then you gotta go through that.
Good boy, Saki.
Put that back in.
And what? Oh. Look at the white.
Holly. Halik, Mama. Halik,
Look
Mama.
at the white, Papa. Here. Here, this. Look. Whoop.
Wow.
Oh, you're gonna go.
Oh, Dad!
Get him on the door.
I think it.
Get him on the door.
Oh, I blew the M.
M.
Yeah.
Yeah, you like it? What you gonna say, Baba? Oi, what you gonna say?
What's moldy?
Huh?
What's moldy color?
Yeah.
What?
What you gonna say? Thank you, ay.
This.
Yung boys ang nag-enjoy sa golf ni Holly, oh.
Hit that one.
Papa.
Not too far. That one.
Baba. Happy birthday. Hi guys, ayan si Holly. Baba. The birthday girl, ayun. Nag-decorate lang ako. Ayan. Simple lang. Tapos ito na yung niluto kong spaghetti. Spaghetti spring roll lang handa ni Holly today. Ayan si Mom. Say hi! Ito yung sauce spaghetti. Tapos ayan, spring roll. So yan lang handa. Tapos cake. Yan lang.
Now the way it works.
Ayan ang handa ni Holly. Ito yung ice cream cake. Yung spaghetti sauce, spaghetti, spring roll, and fruit salad. Tapos ayun, nag-decorate lang ako doon ng balloon saka yung two. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Holly. Happy birthday, Holly.
Happy birthday!
Kuya, nasaan ka, Kuya?
That cake.
Hoy, Holly.
Ay, we don't have lighter.
Go.
Puro.
Come here.
Don't touch it.
You gonna sing?
It's hot.
Okay, sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Holly. Happy birthday to you. Hep hep. Hooray! Hep hep. Hooray! Wait, Chris, did you want to have a turn? Happy birthday! Oh, stop getting on.
He missed that group.
Yeah, I know.
Okay,
Don't
go.
spit on it.
Go for it. Yay!
Holly, how old Baba?
How old are you?
How old? How old Baba?
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Holly. Happy birthday to you. Hep hep. Hep hep. Blow.
You want more, darling? Jack, you want more, darling? Hmm? You want more? Okay.
Say thanks, Dad. Say thanks, Pa. Say thanks, Pa. Picture going, smile.
Me who you see, 'cause I think I